In this video, I'm gonna be creating Charmander.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was.
I'm choosing my favorite Charmander card. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite.
I will travel across the land, searching for.
While you're here, please hit that like button so YouTube can recommend this video to more people. Creating the armature. For the armature, I'm using florist wire, paper towel, and aluminum foil. You can watch me create other armatures in detail on my channel. I recommend you to watch the Murloc video to see how I made that armature. Creating the body. For the body, I'm using orange clay to cover the armature. I'm going to be sculpting all the orange details and then I will do the first bake. Creating the hands. For this, I'm creating small snakes of orange clay and cutting the ends. I'm using the small ends to make the little fingers.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry.
Do you like how it's going? Let me know in the comments and hit the like button so YouTube can recommend this to more people. Creating the head and mouth base. For this, I'm covering with orange clay a small ball of paper towel and aluminum foil. Then I will bake it and will be removing the filling. This will be the base for the head and mouth. Now, I'm going to attach the head base to the body and bake it again. Then I'm going to be carving the space for the mouth details. Now I'm creating the head details. Creating the chest. For the chest, I'm using yellow clay flattened with the pasta machine. Then I will be creating the feet yellow details. creating the mouth details. Now I'm going to be creating the inside of the mouth using purple clay mixed with orange. I also added a small magnet to the end of the mouth. For the tongue, I'm using a different mix of purple clay with orange. Creating the teeth and nails. For this, I'm creating small snakes of white clay and cutting the ends. I'm going to be baking the figure next to save the progress. Creating the eye details. First, I'm going to be creating the black part with two small balls of black clay and will be using the sculpting tool to mold it. Now, I'm going to create the white details, then the green details. Creating the flame. For this, I'm using polyester filling and red and orange paint. I'm using a small piece of Florist wire that will attach to the small magnet in Charmander's mouth. And we're done creating Charmander. If you make it so far into the video, thank you very much. Please help me grow the channel by liking the video, commenting and sharing with your friends. I really appreciate your support.
Like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause.